Today we're gonna learn about VLOOKUP formula. So before applying any formula, we need to learn what VLOOKUP actually do. So VLOOKUP is nothing but if we want to find anything in the table in the left column, we use VLOOKUP. For example, in this table, if we want to find anything related to the country, like country is written in left column. So if we want to find something related to country, we will apply VLOOKUP formula. First, we will convert this data into a table by pressing Ctrl plus T. Press OK. So this is our table. Now apply, for example, I want to find the rank number of Sri Lanka. So what we're gonna do is use just VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP brackets on. So what its formula says, first we need to write the VLOOKUP value. So VLOOKUP value in this table is Sri Lanka. We click on Sri Lanka cell. Sri Lanka cell is D4. Then table array. Table array, we need to select the whole table to last. Our table name is table 3. Again comma. It's asking for column index number. Column index number is the column number in which we want to find our data. For this case, we need to find about rank. So let's say country 1, year 2, and rank is third column of the table. Then we will write 3, again separated by a comma, and it asking for true or false value. True give us an approximate match. On the other side, false give us exact. Mostly people use false because it gives us exact match. We also want an exact match, so we will also use false bracket off, and here it's giving 30th. Sri Lanka is the 30th rank. You can also use another method for finding the rank. We can use VLOOKUP bracket on, and if we want to find about Kenya's rank, so we can simply write Kenya, comma, table array, comma, column index number is 3, then false. See, you can write the name in the double quotes and it will give the same result. Press enter, and Kenya is at 35th rank. Let's try something else. What if we want to find about something which is not mentioned in the table? For example, if we want to find data related to India, see, India is not mentioned in this table. So let's try what will happen if the data is not mentioned. First VLOOKUP, then I'll write India. Remember, India is not written in this table. Table array, rank third, then false. See, this is showing NA, yani not mentioned. So to avoid this, what we can use is double tap on this, and we will use the formula is if error. So before we look up, we'll write if error bracket on. After false, just simply write if error do. To avoid the NA value, we can use anything which we want to write, so it will be easily understandable by any other client which we are sending our data to. So to avoid null, we can write like can't find bracket off, false, comma, in double quotes we'll write can't find double quotes off, bracket off, and see, it will find, it will write cannot find. So this is how we can avoid null by using if error formula.